Every rainy season in Surrey, even a small roof leak can quickly snowball into a major headache for property managers. Rapid attention is vital. Water sneaks past shingles into insulation and framing, risking costly repairs and frustrated tenants. The difference between week 1 and week 26 is often the difference between a minor repair and a catastrophic rebuild. As a manager, you're responsible for tenant safety and protecting the owner's asset. Delaying repairs creates massive liability exposure. In practice, timely means scheduling an inspection within 48 hours of a report. This pace prevents water from reaching wall cavities. Urgent issues like active leaks, large holes, or flashing failures demand action within 24 hours to stop the clock on rot. In our climate, ice dams are a silent threat, forcing water under shingles and into walls where it creates hidden pressure. By the time you see water stains or smell musty odors, you've moved past prevention into active damage control. Leaks create mold, which triggers respiratory issues. This isn't just a maintenance problem, it's a legal health and safety violation. Many insurers exclude damage caused by deferred maintenance. If you knew and didn't act, your claim will likely be denied. Tenant dissatisfaction leads to turnover. A small repair prevents losing months of rent and the high cost of finding new tenants. Prompt repairs signal that you take maintenance seriously, building the trust that keeps tenants in place long-term. In BC, certification is your insurance. Certified contractors understand our unique codes and carry the necessary liability protection. At Paragon Roofing BC, we specialize in professional inspections tailored for the Lower Mainland's climate. Don't wait for a crisis. Visit Paragon Roofing BC today. Take control now to ensure your tenants' safety and your property's longevity.